we're headed in to go hunt a spot that's overgrown with cedar trees, and it's a great loafing spot where a lot of birds like to hang out in the afternoons, and we're approaching that 1 o'clock time frame here, so this should be a great hunt. So follow along, and we'll see what we can put down here. Gary's after him and Joe's after him. I'm on the camera. Hell yeah, Gary. Nice job, buddy. Boom! Marry him down. Marry him down.
Took quite a little time, effort for a couple of days, but like anything else, a lot of times it don't come easy.
Nice job.
Marry him down.
Marry him down.